Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful tip, how to remove those pesky underlines from links in both LiveFlow and Google Sheets. If you're like me, you love keeping your spreadsheets clean and readable, and those default underlines on hyperlinks can sometimes make your data look a bit cluttered or less professional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your links and take your spreadsheets to the next level. So let's jump right into it. If you're already working with a sheet and you have some links in place, you might have noticed that every link comes with a blue underline. This is just how Google Sheets and LiveFlow show that text is a hyperlink, but sometimes, especially when you're formatting a report or preparing data for a presentation, you want things to look a little cleaner. Here, what you'll do first, make sure you've created or pasted your links into the spreadsheet. That's important. This method works once the links are already there. If you haven't set up your links yet, go ahead and do that first. Once you're ready, locate the cell that contains the link you want to change. Click right onto that cell so it's selected. Take a moment to make sure you've picked the correct one, especially if you've got lots of links scattered around your sheet. Now here, where the magic happens. On your keyboard, simply press Ctrl and U at the same time. If you're on a Mac, you'd use Command and U. What this does is toggle the underline formatting in Google Sheets and LiveFlow, just like it would in a word processor. So even though your cell still contains a link, which means the link will still work if someone clicks on it, the underline will disappear from the display. The cell will look just like any regular bit of text, but the clickable functionality stays. It's a small change visually, but it can make your spreadsheets way more polished, like changing from a handwritten note to a typed-up document. Let me give you a bit more insight into why this trick works so well. Google Sheets treats formatting like bold, italics, and underlining as separate from the fact that something is a link. So taking away the underline doesn't remove the link or break it in any way, it simply tells Sheets to show the text without that extra style. If you're updating a whole row or column, you can even select multiple cells at once. Just drag to highlight the range, then hit Ctrl U and boom, all those underlines disappear together. If you ever want to put the underline back, just repeat the same keystroke and it'll come right back without any harm done. Sometimes the underline might not disappear immediately, especially if your browser is lagging or the sheet is very large, so just give it a few moments. Don't worry if you don't see the change right away. Also, remember that removing the underline only affects how things look on your screen. The links themselves are still fully functional. That's great for sharing sheets with colleagues or presenting data where you want things to look sleek, but you still need those links active. And that's all there is to it. With just a quick keyboard shortcut, you've upgraded the look of your links in LiveFlow or Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any other spreadsheet questions or tips you want to see. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future how-tos. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.